Hello and welcome. This is Hena Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. There is an early signs of likely cyclone in Arabian Sea and there is observation watch by Meteorological Department of India for next 72 hours. The equatorial Arabian Sea has meteorologically become the zone of contention. A cyclonic circulation is seen over the southern parts of the Pakistan and adjoining parts of southwest Rajasthan and adjoining Kutch region of Gujarat, India. This equatorial belt also positions the intertropical convergence zone, which may host a number of disturbances embedded in its entire east-west Indian stretch. Normally, equatorial belt suppresses the generation of any cyclogenesis, but exceptions cannot be ruled out. Arabian Sea conditions near India is favorable in time and space with adequate heat potential. Also, one thing is sure, for such freak disturbances that on crossing the threshold parameters, these are quick enough to sustain rapid intensification. The Arabian Sea has not hosted a cyclone during May for last 2 years, but in May 2018, two cyclones in quick succession were witnessed, that is Tropical Cyclone Sagar between 16th and 20th May and an extremely severe cyclonic storm Mekunu from 21st to 26th May. The beauty of these cyclones lies in the fact that most of these cyclones at this time of the year head from Somalia, Yemen and Oman, as it happened in the case of Sagar and Mekunu also. But there are few recurving outliers that do threaten the Gujarat coast and Konkan region in India. The Arabian Sea, which borders the Arabian Peninsula, typically spawns tropical cyclones in the southeastern position of the body of water and offshore of western India. The Indian subcontinent is coming closer to welcome southwest monsoon 2021. Before the arrival of rainy season in India, pre-monsoon rainfall activities in different parts have started. These pre-monsoon activities continues during March, April and May. When the temperature exceeds the surface of the sea to the ground parts, then the monsoon winds are attracted to the ground parts via Kerala. The monsoon current makes storming over South Andaman Sea and Bay Islands for 7 to 10 days prior to stepping over the mainland Kerala. The formation of any storms in Arabian Sea at this point of time is consequential for the advancement of current over Indian waters. Plains of North India comprising of Punjab, Haryana and Delhi region are also expected to have another round of active pre-monsoon conditions. Mild activity may commence immediately at few places and gradually pick up during the midweek to cover the most parts on 12th and 13th May. Dust storm and thunderstorm followed by the rain and showers is likely between 11th and 14th May in northern India. These convective storms are invariably accompanied with the squally winds with speed ranging between 50 to 70 kilometers per hour and may possibly be in excess of it in gusty conditions over some parts. A swath of weather activity will be larger than on the previous occasions in northern Indian states and the stormy conditions may also endure longer. All major cities of these region, namely Amritsar, Pathankot, Jalandhar, Ludhiana, are affected by that. And the Indian capital Delhi, along with its outskirts, will witness somewhat hazardous conditions peaking on 12th and 13th May. Mercury levels are going to drop below the normal, substantially decreasing the heat wave over the entire region. An active western disturbance along with the induced circulation over the Haryana and neighborhood in India with trough running eastward will be responsible for this lengthy spell. The confluence between the two different streams, that is southwesterly from Arabian seaside and Gujarat and southwesterly winds along with the Indo-Gangetic plains will find an ideal situation for fairly widespread stormy activities. A cyclonic circulation is over southwest Madhya Pradesh too in India. A trough from this cyclonic circulation is extending up to the North Kerala coast across Marathwada, South Madhya Maharashtra and interior Karnataka. An east-west trough is extending from the southwest Madhya Pradesh to Sikkim across the East Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand and southern parts of the Bihar. Moreover, during the last 24 hours, light to moderate rain and thunder showers with few heavy spells occurred over Gangetic, West Bengal, coastal Odisha, East Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and isolated parts of Marathwada in India. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hena Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.